light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time.
I see it so clear. All my dreams right in front of me. Yeah, I see it so clear. I know what it takes, but I feel so far. So close, yet so far. I see it so clear. It's right there, but it feels so far. So close, yet so far. See, it starts with a spark. I mean, the real reason why you start trading in the first place, right? That little glimmer of hope, that vision you get of the life you wanna live, that desire, the one you think about all the time, but it feels so far away. And the problem with this desire is that it creates anxiety, impatience, frustration, and ultimately pain. So close yet so far. 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 So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. Now, in my experience, there's only one way to get what you wanna, get to the life you wanna live, and it's through pain. The pain of self-reflection, of truly understanding yourself. The pain of knowing that your only enemy is you. The pain of knowing that your emotions control you. The pain of knowing that your emotional lack of control is the only thing that is stopping you. The pain of being real with yourself. And if you can sit with this pain for long enough, something magical happens. You unlock a superpower. You gain access to something that the majority of people don't have. Emotional discipline. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far.
Pockets getting tight, it's the end of the month, and you finally see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. I gotta be in. The charge calling out your name, and you see the play you need to make, and you think, man, and I'm be sick if I miss it. The feel missing, now they got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in, and you know it probably gon' end up in a loss, man. It hard to just be patient, but you know you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, 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 you gotta wait for confirmation.
We call it the quick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Oh, quick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Bank. On the move.
catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
Count it up. 1, 2. This the check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah. Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stayed back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cut and win short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again.
Lama, red pajama in the booth, big drama. Turn it down, turn it up, Big Daddy morning saga. Came from pennies in the sofa to the charts, top dollar. Self-taught, killer, naughty, study every comma. Used to heat the same stew, 3 nights, 1 pot. Now the plate look like a painting, chef talk, that's art. G-Wagon in the snow, tank tracks on the block. Used to watch from the sidewalk, now I'm on in the lot. Legos on the desk, build plays brick by brick. Click, clack, stack, stats, every candle, every tick. Merging numbers with the nerve, yeah, I been my own script. Fibs on the chart, in a circle in my grip. I don't follow, I invented, I don't care if you agree. Unapologetic when I speak on the feed. You get feelings, I get fees. Funding pace for my beliefs. From the basement to the beacon, I'm the voice you gotta meet. Big Daddy. Lama, red pajama. Came from not a mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, say my name. Lama, red pajama. Taught myself the game, turn the charge to a Bible. Saw fear in the wick, smell greed in the cycle. Mixing golden lines with the zones from the rise. You replace, I read people, that's the difference in survival. I see stops like targets, crowd thought like a map. I don't chase, I said traps, let them spin into the gap. Got them psych, get sharp, every loss just better. Detached from the paper, then the profits come later. Breakfast segment, hot takes on the plate. Oh, yeah. Serve eggs, serve facts, both cook, both flame. Sip coffee in the studio, G-Wagon at the gate. From late night charge to my name on the gate. I got haters in the chat, but they never change the trend. They react, I anticipate, I was cashing while they pressing. Floor to the Forbes, every step I had to plan. Now my word move crowds like a wave from my hand. Yeah. Lama.
Original purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Oh, yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yeah. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah.
We don't do it for financial advice, pussy. It's entertainment.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Raise hands up when
Look at the dunk. Holy shit. Bang, 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 bang. TP.
most entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the
Keep on the strong stop losses at orb.
on the internet.
I said, my first day here. How often do you hit like this, Max? Every fucking day. Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max. And I'm with the one and only Lama Red Pajama, Mr. Sober Pay to Play. And it is May 26th, and it's 9:29 in the morning. We are about to be live, baby. We're about to be live. Lama, how are you feeling, Bobby? I will let everyone know that I've been in a short for about 2 minutes.
Nice.
And I have a stop loss at break even already. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Here we go. Let's see what happens. My stop is at break even, and Big Daddy was riding a short there for the last 2 minutes.
Potential 750 move. It just depends what 930 does.
Well, let's see what 930
bleeds
does, because it's
before.
coming, baby. It's coming right now, baby. Oh, fuck. So much volume. Which way is it going to go? Oh, to the upside. Stop me out. Oh, fuck. It stopped me out.
Up. Clear bounce right to the 7/8 sleazy.
Right,
See if it breaks this high.
let's see if that
If it
thing
breaks this
dumps
high, I
right
need to
back
flip my
down.
shit.
Do we get a reverse ski
Potential.
or no?
There's potential here. This was
Bang on the
untested.
move.
Untested 7/8 sleazy.
7-8 slow. Let's see what
ES
happens
is still
here.
weak.
Yes, is very weak. Nice pot. Whoa.
Yep, there's a good flip off the 7/8 sleazy.
Better get some profits
130
ready
points.
to
If
get
it takes this
taken
low,
there.
you could see a whole 750 move.
Bank on the move.
Interesting.
I like the short still. I'm holding
Start
that thing,
room.
boy. Ain't no reason to let go of that.
My next area is A15. Like, this could just be a free 60 points after this.
Look at the chat, Llama. Look at the chat. Tuesday morning.
I like that out of you. No,
Tuesday
I like
morning.
that out of you.
Lucid trading.
No, I like that out of you.
25,000.
No, I like
Short
that
on
out
the
of you.
market structure rejection at the
No, I
top.
like that out of you.
Exited full profit at
Still
the
has-
bottom.
Still has some room. ES is a lot more weak, though.
Bank on the move. What's going on, everybody? Talk to me. How was everyone's long weekend? Everyone had a wonderful weekend. Memorial Day. Wow, I've gone fully retarded. Fucking said Memorial Day.
You said Maduro? Maduro?
I said Memorial Day. I don't know what happened there. Guys, make sure you're checking
I
out the
love this
YouTube,
tab
baby.
here.
It looks like we got some sick new graphics on the YouTube over here. I'm looking at the YouTube. It looks very
Really?
different to me.
Take a look at
I
it.
did not see this YouTube before. Look at this. Very clean. Interesting. We are in a
Open
down
YouTube.
move here, guys. I don't want there to be any confusion. We are down trending. So let's
Open
see
up
what
YouTube.
happens.
Ooh, YouTube does look nice. YouTube does
Wow.
look nice. That does.
Nice. Oh,
Really
you
don't want to
mentioned
see a break over this midline if it's going to remain bearish.
Break on the move. If it goes above 18, I'll go long. If it breaks above 18, I'll go long. But right now, it looks like it's just downtrending.
Yeah, I still want to see continuation, like fully down to at least 816.
Yeah, definitely. Bang, 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 bang,
Like
bang,
at
bang.
least to the 816s.
Let's see what SPX is doing. SPX is just wicking. There's no way we don't test that opening print on SPX. It might pop up a little bit, but I'll tell you right now, Lama, I'm calling the fucking shot. We're gonna make a newer low on SPX.
I want 816 at the bare minimum.
I can almost say guaranteed we're gonna make a newer low on SPX. I can almost fucking say the G word. Almost guaranteed to flip red at some point on SPX. Not red,
New
but
low on NQ right now. New low on NQ with a wicked out.
Well, you know I'm riding that thing. You know I'm riding that thing, boys and gals. One con right now. Waiting for an SPX wick. Once SPX breaks that newer low, I'm going to set a little alarm. I'm going to go short. I'm going to scale into the short on that break.
I'm in the short. I'm holding it still. I want to see at least 816. We got the divergence. Now our NQ's falling. Yes,
My assistant Sam says we're very bearish, and I am going to just be bearish with Sam.
Come on, fill it up and take me to 816. I'm going to fully hold this till then.
I am rolling almost 400 per con here. 400 per con on the secondary entry on the short. 400 per contract.
Gotta just keep going here. ES needs to lose.
I'm telling you, bro, it's slowly wicking out every candle down to that newer low. As soon as we punch that newer low, I'm punching a couple more minis in. Hold on, let me hear that bell.
I'm fucking melting.
Look at that number, 800 a con. We're up 800 a con on the short and rolling, baby.
Oh fuck!
And we're not even close to done yet, because I'll fucking scale in, Llama. I'll scale the fuck in.
I'm not gonna lie, twin. I don't want to take this, bro. I'm floating 3 bands in profit.
I'm holding that thing. We are looking really juicy. I want to see SPX break that fucking opening print, and I will scale short. No, I'm not so much weakness. Wow. I don't see anything holding me back from nope, that got filled.
All right, there you go. There you go. Give me 15. We're like
I'm up 900.
30
Here we go.
points.
There we go. All right. There's another. There's my newer low on SPX. And I'm going to scale a couple cons in on the next drop. I want to hold the 813 as my final price target. There's a big imbalance at 813. And wow, there we go. Now I'm cooking with gas. I'm up over fucking 8,000. Here we go. Scaled in, baby. What a scale in on a 3Z down. Continuation, 813, my final price target. Let's see if we can get down there, baby. Let's see if we can get a little free chicken down there.
Oh, yeah. Right there by the 815. I think I just took a full close, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just scooped up 1,500 with one fucking mini.
No, when I'm hot, I'm hot. And if I'm hot,
one fucking mini, 300 tick more.
Chat, are we eating right now, chat? Chat, are we fucking eating right now? Are we eating right now on this short, chat? Tuesday morning.
Fucking close, thank God.
Tuesday morning, nom. Looking real bearish on the 5.
Started us off accordingly. I'm good.
Another 3-bar here, and I will press that short button again, and I will ride that thing all the way down to 13, Llama. That's where I'm looking. Final price target, last imbalance for me that I can see on the charts is.
I'm full closed.
Oh no, there's a lot below. Oh, you're fully out.
Fully closed, yeah. ES came and hit the low I wanted it to. I don't even want to deal with this no more.
Nice. I want to see a nice pop. There we go. And then I'm just gonna keep holding.
Total of over 13,000 on the day on fucking between the PAs and the Lucids.
Nice shit, my boy. Damn, you ate big today.
One fucking mini. And I'm done.
One mini is a done today. Rama make a very good trading. Konnichiwa.
Now what do we do, bro? We're 7 minutes into the day.
Well, I'm gonna keep holding the short for now because
I think NQ has a lot of room. Like if it breaks, so what I wanted to see was 820. If we break 820 all the way 740.
My next price target is the golden MVG and 13. So 813 and then 95. If we continue to dump down, those are my two areas of. It's very aggressive.
That's what I thought. Yeah, so no, they don't. You don't throw coins in Canada. You don't throw any money in Canada.
I be tossing coins. I be tossing euros. You know, in the Europe too. The $1 and the €2, the €1 and the €2 is coins. It's not paper. So, you know, those bitches be out there shaking ass, and I just fucking Shohei Ohtani a fucking €2 right in between her ass cheeks.
Oh, yikes!
Yeah, I'm not scared.
Painful.
I've been beaten by a few strippers in my day.
That ES clean. So this is why I TP off of ES. Look how ES now fired off the long. When you're the indicator.
Fire off of long. Oh no, Rama. Oh no, Daddy want to see it drop to 13. It's just ultimately it's in a big range right now.
Yeah, I just don't want to deal with the chop. We still have 5 more minutes until orbs created. Orbs currently, I should be like 100 points, 110 points. If it takes 10 bigger would be crazy. I could see it just fuck around in here. Better to just take the volume.
I want to see
like a solid 4 minutes of volume. Like this was the midline on when it was the 5 minute, and then it just did 3 minutes of straight.
Yeah, I definitely need to see SPX drop below 12 in a couple quarters here for this bearish move to fully play out, start playing out, because NQ is looking good right here. Those wicks are holding up, but there's a little pullback there. I want to see. There we go. Break down below 12 in a couple quarters on SPX, and we actually got motion here. We actually got some motion here, but NQ looks bully now. NQ's like, yeah, fuck that shit.
This guy's name is the Jewish matzo ball. What's a matzo ball?
If this doesn't break to the upside right now, setting up for a failure. Let's see. It's set. Oh, big pop up on SPX. RNQ. There we go. Breakout city, baby. Breakout city. Break on the move.
Can you show
tonight, guys? Don't forget the sale. I think we have a continued sale going right now. Bank on the move.
A Jewish dumpling is a matzo ball?
Yeah, technically.
What's inside of it?
Yeah, technically. It's just matzah and soup.
What is a matzah? I'm not gonna lie, that shit looks terrible. To be honest with you.
Do you think the matzah looks terrible?
What an exit, bro. Thank God.
You think a
matzah look at 90 at 32.
You think a matzah look terrible, Rama?
Yeah. Thank God.
Oh no, Rama, please.
It doesn't look, I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look good. I'm gonna be honest with you, brother.
I want you to keep it a buck with me always, twin.
You know I'm always keep it a buck with you.
I want you to keep it a buck with me right now.
I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. That long is fucking long, and
that long is ripping. You don't like matzah?
Fucking long, and boys and girls.
Have you tried a matzah ball?
I've never ate any type of Jewish delicacy other than Cat's Deli.
And how was that for you?
Orgasmic. It made me actually very frustrated with Germans.
Right. How could you do that to someone?
How could you do that to
who's cutting corned beef that thick? Right?
Yeah.
Like we're out here cutting corned beef like that. How dare you disrespect us?
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. What a full close by me. Thank God this bitch is up 80 points.
Bang on the move.
So what other? So, all right, hold on. As a fellow, como se dice, Jew, what is the top Jewish delicacy?
Probably, I mean, for me, my favorite, probably a strawberry and cheese blintz.
The blintz is okay. No. Okay. No. All right. I don't know if delicacy is the word. What's the best entree y'all boys got? When you want to sit down and like mom's cooking or Bubby's cooking, you feel me? And you want a plate from Bubby.
If I want a plate from Bubby, oh God, if Bub's cooking, I probably want a sandwich, dog. I probably want a big deli sandwich. I probably want her to fucking slap half a pound of roast, like a homemade Reuben sandwich. Like a homemade Reuben. What did he fucking say? What did he say?
Huh?
What did he say?
Market's currently up about 110 points. Very nice fire off from ES,
No,
letting
what did
us
the
know that
racist
we can
say?
reverse. What? Who's? Oh, my boy Logan. He said the Jews got cooked enough, Lama.
Jesus Christ.
I didn't even read it. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't even know he said that. To be honest.
No, you knew. You fucking knew. You fucking knew, Lama. And you went along with it. How dare you, Lama? You're supposed to be my boy. You're supposed to be my boy, holding it down.
No, I feel that. Honestly, I respect that. I'll be
But
honest.
you ain't been holding it down.
I'm gonna be honest. You didn't even deserve that, bro.
Oh, crap.
You didn't deserve that. So hold on, but like, hold on. I'm still trying to figure this out, bro. Like, y'all don't got like all right. So like, y'all don't got like a rice and beans plate, like not a sandwich. Like, what do you like? You know, like arroz con pollo. Like, you know how you sit down, abuelita. Yo, I tell you, abuelita just made arroz con pollo. I know you grabbing a chair next to me.
Israeli. Well, I mean, like the Israeli food.
What is
like,
that plate for you?
Probably like a roasted tomato hummus with a chicken schnitzel sandwich, maybe. Maybe some baba ganoush. I don't know. It's like Mediterranean, twin.
Oh, that's Jewish shit. Mediterranean.
It's Mediterranean food. Israeli, yeah. I get a fucking.
Oh,
Is that you? Oh boy, is that you?
why does that look like me?
That's what I'm asking you. Is that you?
What does that look like?
Here we go.
Man?
We got a golden MVG testing at the ore break right here. Wow. Wow.
Fuck?
This is big. This is big right here.
Ripper.
This could go.
Full ripper. Yo, that's funny as fuck. Them boys got the sign in the bathroom. Like, what the fuck,
Yeah.
bro?
I don't know how they got that P2P in the bathroom like that.
Like, that's insane, bro. That shit actually made me think it was me. This
Double
shit is
goldens.
up, twin, 130 points.
Yeah.
By the way, guys, indicators are 25% off still for Memorial Day. And
Indicators been
it's
going
a very
berserk.
nice fire
I'm
off.
about to
Very
fucking
nice.
test and see if we pull back or not on this breakout is insane. If a
We
wick
could
back
probably see
down,
an orb tap. I would just wait for some
a
type of
wick back
hesitation.
down in the orb. I want to see if we test 50 again or not. That's what I'm looking. I want to see if NQ comes back to test that 50. That could be another entry for long. Or if it's just going to completely fucking explode.
Oh my god, Renee, 7 bans on the fucking pro account. My boy, good job.
Disgusting. That's disgusting. $7,000, Renee. How's that feel, my boy? Like, how's that feel, bro? $7,000.
$7,000.
$7,000.
Yo, did you see the comment I put on your post? I think it was yesterday.
What, bro?
I know you don't be looking at them things, you know, but it was a good one.
You commented on my post? What did it say?
It was the Asian with the 90% strategy.
Oh, 90% strategy. Yeah. It's the top comment.
Yeah, it says, "Oh, this strategy give us a 90% win rate to honor my family."
Well, the one I did before where the girl, I called her Lucy Lou, she comments, she goes, "Wow, you sound just like my dad." It's like, right.
Honor, straight honor. We
And then
still
I
in
had
this
some
bitch
sweet
one
cake.
micro. I'm telling you, that
Then I
long
had
is
some
so
super,
crispy.
super sweet cake. This guy, he goes, "Oh, I didn't know you were that blatantly racist. I'll be unfollowing now." I'm like, it's not like I try and fucking hide it. Makes no sense. Makes no sense.
It's not even racism. It's just like, what's the word? There's a word for it. Stereotypical.
Being firm and fair across the board.
Firm and fair is another one.
Firm and fair across the board. You know what I'm saying? Treat everyone equally. We make fun of
Firm and fair
whites.
across the board.
We make fun of whites. We make fun of blacks. We dislike Indians. That's a fact. It's a fact.
Right.
If we can all agree on one thing, we don't fuck with Indians.
Yeah. Yep. Which Indians? The 7-Eleven ones.
9/11 too.
9/11 too. No, 9/11's more of like hatred.
Hold on, bitch. Were you just implying that you did fuck with the 9/11 ones?
No. It's different. There's like the 7-Elevens are like, yeah, but the 9/11s are like, yeah.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
I just don't fuck with any of them, to be honest.
Right.
I mean, there's a couple nice guys. I can be like, oh, that's a nice guy, you know, but like, fuck you, dude.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
A lot of people say that the Jews took over 9/11. Should we not talk about that on socials? Because you know they run everything. You think this is true? We can't talk about this, right? Who made me a panda? Let's get a bang going on G-Stank.
The crazy fucking sales. Today is the last day of sales. Memorial Day sales. Crazy prop sales, especially from like Lucid Trading, as Max Options Trading, all the crazy companies. Don't forget, guys, that you can lock in with code BDM at any time. Make sure you guys lock in with code BDM, baby. Wait, what just happened?
You see that? They're taking over, bro. I know y'all seen that, chat.
Bro, who's taking over, bro?
You know when they say they, I think the they that everyone talks about, they gotta be.
No.
Look,
No,
the Poutines.
That's not correct. It's not the Poutines.
One of these, look.
It's not the Poutines. Don't fucking say it's the Poutines.
It's the ones that got the Hanukkah on their head.
Motherfucker. You son of a bitch.
There's your 950 tab, and it's lining up with an orb tab on
no, I just missed the fucking dump. I'm getting tight right now. Oh, it's on the wrong.
Let it go.
I want to let it go.
Let it go.
I'm just frustrated because it went to one account, so one account went green, and then the rest of them didn't fucking move. Look at the break back in. It's gorgeous. And then probably gonna just wick back up and cook my pooper.
This should be the bounce back up.
There's a pooper. There's a pooper cooker. There's a pooper cooker. The shit should be dump a Ruski, but instead it's like, nope, here's Max's pooper cooker. Oh God,
Real
bro.
question is, when can we have the MOT music playlist? We actually have someone in every single state in the major cities selling CDs on the street.
At gas stations.
Yeah.
We have a bunch of people at gas stations selling CDs. They're doing a great job. And we're looking forward to them to their continued success. That was a nice looking doji right there.
Who made me? I'm not even gonna say what I want to say, but let's get a bang going on NQ Dell. Let's get a bang going on that guy.
You look good like that. You look good like that with the poutines. Have you ever considered being Jewish?
I have. When I was poor, I realized if I probably just convert, odds are, just off percentages, I'd probably get rich somehow. Some way. Barish is gonna get made. Long's going, by the way. If you guys jumped in, this was the
re-entry. That long looked good. That long looked really good.
But yeah, I have considered it. I feel like the second that you put a Hanukkah on your head, like this,
put a Hanukkah on your head.
Flutes. It's like flutes start playing and like.
Did you just say put a Hanukkah?
Yeah, the little hat. You put the little Hanukkah on your head.
Oh, a yarmulke. A yarmulke.
Oh, the Yamaha. Yeah. You motherfucker.
You fucking
Can't
piece
even
of
laugh
shit.
like that. I was locked in.
I will beat the
Hella
fucking
locked
piss
in for
out
a
of you.
second.
I will beat the piss out of you. I will beat the dog piss out of you. Wow, that's a nice dumpy. I'd like to see a little bit more of that. There we go. See ya. See ya. See you later. Wow. 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 Wow, Dad. 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 Dad, you man. Dad. I'm taking that short, but I don't give a fuck. That's a structure break or
Drop it in there.
break. Tapping midline. Orb got a sell
Take this one all the
side.
way to 750. Say fuck it.
There's a golden MVG right there that's trying to hold me down.
Take it all the way to the.
They're trying to hold me down. Oh, daddy. I'm trying to scalp it if it
Bro, who
breaks
made me
down
Indian?
on the newy lowy. These little
Bro.
pops though. These little pop-ups. It'd be pissing me
Why
off.
is this guy not banned yet? He just made me Indian. NQ Dell. Can we get a ban going on him? Like, what the fuck are the mods doing right now?
Nah.
Just made me
No.
Indian.
Making him Jewish, that's funny. Making him Indian, you've crossed the line.
Taking it way too far. Like, we crossed the line there.
You've crossed the line.
You crossed the line, twin.
Take it back.
Take
it back right now.
Hella fucked up.
That's fucked up, bro. I don't know why they did you like that. That's fucked up. That's fucked up.
Put him in a call center. Jesus Christ. You guys need to chill. But look, chat. We do not condone any type of racism.
Yes, we
and
do.
Who just put a yarmulke on my head that says Yamaha? Let's get a bang going on that guy too. Very uncalled for. Very uncalled for.
He put a what on your head and called it a Yamaha?
Put a Yamaha on my head.
I'm not standing for that. I'm not standing for that. Who
no
called
losses, 1K per day. The Gap was waiting for a payout. There you go, Zach P. There you
Zach
go.
PP.
Zach PP.
There you go, Mr. PP. Congratulations, Mr. PP. I don't know, bro. SPX looking like it might pop, but
they did not. Oh, fuck, bro. Fucking damn it. First picture going. Oh, no. PK, make the file smaller. Make the file smaller. I can't copy and paste it. That was going to be the first picture hitting the screen.
Bro, he looks like a clone of my brother Ed. We've seen that one before.
Hold on. Did Max? Yes, Max did it. There you go. Bang.
Did what?
First picture going onto the screen. That one deserved it. That one deserved it. Who made me the Israeli prime minister? Like, who the fuck made me the Israeli prime? I'm not gonna lie, after all the fucking banger trades I've been catching, this is how I should come dressed. I do look like Israeli prime minister.
Have you ever worn like a suit? Have you ever like actually worn a suit like a professional?
Bro, I was at a wedding like literally like 3 months ago.
Yeah, but like you being Spanish and fat, like you probably didn't wear like a suit. You probably wore like, you know, like you probably wore some like alligator shoes and like white linen.
I wore, first of all, that's fucked up. Second of all, I wore Versace loafers and I
wore Wait. Was your undershirt made out of silk?
No, not that one. But you know I was fresh as fuck, boy.
I know you were fresh as fuck, boy. Just ask me one more question. Be honest.
All right, I got you. I'm not
Have
here to
you
answer.
or have you not been to the Sawgrass Mall in the last week or two?
I had to buy something, bro. Bro, you know I had to buy some cologne.
Follow-up question.
All right.
Does your house smell like luggage?
Bro, it's so what? Yeah, it does. Like, so what? Not even that big of a deal. It's just luggage. Like, you know you need luggage.
I love how when you walk into a different race's house, you can tell. Like when you walk into an Indian house, it stinks like the food they cook. And when you walk in to like a Spanish person's house, especially in South Florida, it smells like luggage. It smells like brand new luggage and a lot of cologne and maybe some like adobo.
Maybe a little bit of adobo.
And then you walk into a white person's house and it smells like
Cousins fucking.
eucalyptus and pine, and
It doesn't.
dad actually came home. It smells like family
Smells
love.
like sawdust.
It smells like, hey, white. White, just be in the garage building shit.
Just be in the garage building shit, bro. It smells like sawdust on that cream. What happens when you step into, let's just say,
How's the Grand Cup looking so far? Big Daddy Max starts tonight, 6 p.m. It's my first drink.
We're starting mid-pod.
Yep, mid-pod. I'm just gonna literally choose long or short and let it go. Let it go for the rest of the day. And I'll tell you right now, the way we're up 400 points today, nothing's really gonna stop me from probably going long. Right at fucking market or short, right at fucking market open at 6 and just holding through the night. Maybe I catch a couple 100 points. Maybe I'm cooked. I don't know. Yeah, you can still trade metals. That's true.
You should just swing like a silver mini.
Are we about to break 30,000? Is that like really about to happen?
If it breaks 30,000, my next area is 30,130 or some shit like that.
That's fucking nice.
If it break this, it just reversed here, and I want to say the next area was
there.
Like
goes. Look, boom, there it goes.
Next area is 48. After that's 180.
I would expect more of a rejection, at least down to the 80s off of 30,000 first test. I would expect to drop back down to the 80s here, just like a massive.
I cannot find this picture, Tony. I'm still looking.
Orb, SPX dumping back into orb. It's a love story. It's a love story. There's the 80s. Hold on. I'm going to see if we get into that. There we go. Look at that. There's that pushback down in the 80s. Just like I said, usually you see a pretty fat fucking block sitting up there. It did hit 30,019 in like an instant. In like a fucking instantaneous candle. SPX wicking back outside of orb. Let's see if it holds or not. This looks good here.
You make it to top 1,000? Yeah, so I made it to the 700s. We start tonight. I'm not gonna lie to you, and I'll tell you one thing.
Tonight.
I was big as hell.
Love you too. What'd you say?
I was big as hell.
You were big, my boy. You lost a lot of weight, bro. People don't realize how much weight you lost. Your ass was fucking...
like this was. When was this wedding? When was Mula's wedding?
Yeah, your ass lost a lot of weight, boy, because you was big as fuck, twin.
Big as fuck, boy.
Yeah, you was big as
fuck. I just threw it in the wrong fucking chat. God damn it.
You was big as fuck, twin.
I was big as fuck, boy.
I don't want to say nothing, twin, but you was monstrous. You hear me?
Monstrous is crazy.
You were big, bro.
Hold up, I got you. Live shows. Bang. Bang. Yeah, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Faces around there. That was like, when was that shit?
I don't know, bro, but she was big, twin.
It was like December, like 5 months ago.
Yeah. Every shirt you was wearing like a belly weight, like a belly shirt.
What you just say to me?
You was wearing like belly shirts every day.
And you just don't repeat it though?
Shit was crazy, bro. It was like your whole ass gut was hanging out everywhere we went every day. Shit was fucking gross, dog. Oh God, bro.
Why you be wearing 3 shirts? Let's start there.
Who?
You.
Who wearing 3 shirts?
Let me see if you got a shirt under that shirt.
I got one tee, bro. Always.
Let me see what you got on there.
I got my hoodie on and my tee. You know it's ice cold in my garage, bro. Don't come at me.
I know you got a shirt under that shirt.
I don't got no shirt on under the shirt. It's just a shirt.
I seen you pull 2 shirts down.
You ain't seen me pull no 2 shirts down, blood.
You know I seen you pull 2 shirts down.
You ain't seen me pull no 2 shirts down, blood.
He said one is to catch the sweat, the other one's to actually wear the shirt.
Who said that? Ban that
I
motherfucker.
don't know. Nah, I don't know who said that.
Sexual photo of me. That's a real photo of my chest. That's how I be looking, bro. People don't get it. Like I'm fucking kind of shredded, kind of tan.
I thought you were fucking Phil Collins.
Got some hair on my chest. Got some D. You know what I'm saying? Like people
Double
don't
D's. You got 2 D's. You got double D's.
But you ain't gonna talk to me like that. You ain't gonna talk to me like that about no double D's.
I got them cannons.
But you ain't gonna talk about me like I got cannons like that, bro.
You got them cannons, bro. You want me to tell you about it, bro? Like if you got cannons, you got cannons, bro. Like I don't know.
You want some disrespectful shit right now, twin. You want some
No,
crazy
disrespect.
You want some crazy disrespectful.
Let's get a bang on G-Stank.
Now you being crazy disrespectful right now on some real shit. You being crazy disrespectful.
Let's get a bang on G-Stank.
Who?
G-Stank, bro. My wrist do not look that big, bro.
Oh God, that's what his shit be really looking like, though.
Let's get a bang on that guy, bro. I'm not here for that disrespect today.
Well, that's what his shit be looking like, bro. Somebody's gotta help Lama. He got diabetes.
If we're gonna disrespect anyone, it's always the Indians. So let's relax.
Facts.
If you watch Sober Pay to Play's course, you will see the transition of his fat loss. Let's get a bang on that guy too. Let's get a fucking bang on that guy too, just because he said that. I'm not gonna lie. That guy needs to get banged.
Yo, that's
too.
kind of crazy if you think about it. If you watch Lama's course, you can see the fat loss transition happen live between all the shit.
Evolving.
You can see my boy gain 100. You can watch my boy. Hey, everyone buy Pay to Play University right now. You can watch Lama gain 100 pounds.
God.
You can watch Lama
you
gain
see
100
it. You see
pounds.
when I gained, and then you see when it's like the chart where it's like.
No, I think my shit's the same way though. I'm pretty sure I was skinny during the original Mastermind.
They said on Max's you see the teeth transition. Let's get a bang on.
Oh hell no!
Let's get a bang
on. No! Who the fuck said that?
Those flames, bro. We get a bang on that one.
Nah, whoever said that, oh God, you're fucking bad. Who said they see a teeth transition? Get him out of here, bro.
Bro. That's ban worthy. That's actually let's actually get a bang on flames.
I'm not taking
That's
that.
crazy.
I'm not taking that L. I'm not taking that fucking
The
L.
teeth transition is fucking crazy. Bruh.
Bro, I'm not taking that L like that. Whoever said that is fucking banned, dog. You see the teeth transition? That's the rudest shit I've ever heard in my fucking life.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, twin. Like I want to say something, but I'm staring at Javi with his tits out with the Jewish Yamaha and teens with his tits out, and I can't stop looking at it.
Did you just say the Jewish Yamaha?
Yeah. All right. Mods, time out the chat. Pause the whole chat. Y'all tripping today.
No, for real. Pause the chat.
No,
For real. Pause the chat.
Turn the fucking chat off, bro. Y'all not gonna throw this picture of Max. Y'all not just gonna throw that shit in the chat.
What picture? I didn't even see it. Hold on, throw it again.
Bro, no, don't worry, it's gone.
Throw it again.
It's all gone.
What is it? Time out the whole chat. Time out the whole chat right now. Oh God. I'm not gonna sit here and let y'all put me in poutine. No, it ain't going down like that. It ain't going down.
Oh my God. Bro. I need to shut the fuck out, bro. Holy shit.
It's crazy how I was an influencer, an entertainer, a trader for 5 years with no teeth, and nobody said anything to me. Nobody said anything to me. They was all just like, yeah, this dude's got no teeth.
You're a veteran, bro. I don't know.
They just let it ride. They just let it ride. Oh, yeah, homie's got no teeth. Okay, got it.
My boy was probably giving that crazy gummy work.
I'm sorry? I'm sorry?
We're currently fighting against the 30,000 again. See if we can get a break. ES is actually creating newer highs. See if we get that continuation.
Was testing a peak right around there. Looks good for the
What happened to your teeth? They were sitting there. He had teeth. They were just this fucking big.
They were very small. I have very bad bruxism, and so I grind my teeth at night very badly. And you guys are all just fucking rude. All right, you guys are just fucking rude. You ever thought about that?
I think you know what it is, Mac. They don't understand, twin. Like the doctor had to tell you, slow down, because you even be grinding in your sleep, twin. Like you dead ass just be putting in pain.
I grind in my sleep, bro. There's nothing I can do about it. Like I want
just
to.
don't understand what it is to be grinding that hard. That even in sleep you're grinding.
All I do is grind, bro. I grind. Right.
And who gave me a fucking elephant paw? Let's get a bang on that guy too.
All I do is grind all day, every day. I'm trying to make it big for everybody, my family, for my fans. And then here I go. And all I got to do is look at pictures of me fat with titties and no teeth. It's so disrespectful, twin.
And this guy, you see, this is a good guy here. He said, at least you got rich and fixed it now. You got normal teeth.
Oh, God.
And fat. And he's gonna end it off with the and fat. Like you didn't, like, if you're gonna give the compliment and say at least you got rich.
He didn't have to call me fat like that.
You don't gotta say the and fat though.
He didn't have to put that and part. There was really, now that I'm thinking the and as soon as you said and, totally unnecessary.
Like you didn't even need to do that.
How many likes we got on YouTube? 16?
I think I had like 14, twin.
98 likes on the YouTube. This is a devastating day. This is a devastating day. This is just a terrible day. I can't, the disrespect, everything, every part of this day. I made 25 bands in like 2 minutes, and I get disrespected like this. This is crazy disrespect, bro. Y'all on some bullshit. Baby, you know that I like it.
Oh man, like I'm not gonna lie, bro. Chato, you all tripping today, bro.
The chat's on some shit today, bro.
Y'all tripping today, bro. Shit's mad uncalled for.
Chat's on some bullshit today, bro. Chat's on some bullshit today, bro.
All right, I know how this goes. And who made Max a 7-Eleven worker and who made me Jewish? Let's get a bang on too. 333 likes. We get the giveaway started. Let's get this show on the road.
I'm trying to drop some giveaways. I'm changing the energy up in here. We're dropping givvies.
Yeah, like are y'all trying to get givvies, or are you just gonna make fun of Max for having teeth and being fat?
What?
What? We trying to do giveaways, or are they just gonna sit here and make fun? And who made me a shark? Let's get a bang going on this guy too, bro. I'm not gonna lie. What even is that?
199 dono on the YouTube. Shout out to Toothless for making 25 bands. Nah. Get a bang going on that guy. Shout out to Toothless for making 25 bands. Shout out to Toothless. This motherfucker just called me Toothless. Get a band going right now, Lama. I got teeth. Perfect teeth. You're all just jealous.
That's hell uncalled for, bro. My boy got teeth, bro. Why would you even consider calling him Toothless? That's hella fucked up. Hella fucked up, bro. That's super fucked up, bro. Hella fucked up.
Shout out to Toothless. Ain't no one on this stage toothless, my boy. Oh, that shit's funny to you, Lama?
Hell no, bro. I wouldn't even take that disrespect.
Toothless is devious. Really get that bang going.
Oh God, I'm taking everything in my blood right now not to cancel.
Been there with you,
all of
Max,
y'all.
and now
I will
I'm good
ban
with my
everybody. I will ban every single one of you. You think I care? You think I care? $50 USD. Been there with you, Max, and now I'm good with my mouth. What the fuck does that even mean, dog? Hold on. What the fuck does that mean? You just donated $50 to say, been there with you, Max, and now I'm good with my... Nah. Let's get that band going. The trading llama... You donated $5 to win to say toothless is devious?
That was me.
You're the trading llama. You donated $5 to say that shit's devious?
My YouTube got hacked, twin.
Blood, you just donated $5 to say my shit's devious?
I ain't say that.
How could you do me like that, my boy?
I'm not gonna lie, they spamming gold coins again, bro. Why did you have to be Jewish of all? Now we just get gold coin spam the whole fucking show.
He's gonna get banned from the Discord. I know you're in the Discord, Sam Rich. I'm gonna beat your fucking ass.
Who put a fucking Nashville chicken sandwich in my fucking mouth like that? If that would be anyone, it'd be Logan. You know he eats some Nashville joints.
Logan loves Nashville chicken sandwiches.
I've seen him eat over 18 Nashville sandwiches within the past 20 times we've gone to eat.
Homie loves Nashville chicken. We're breaking up to the upside here. Nice breakout here. Let's see if SPS can take that range as well.
Next level 48 for me.
That's a beautiful looking breakout there.
Fuck my mouse go.
Oh, I hate this chat so much, bro. They just doing me dirty for no reason, bro. There's ain't no reason to do me dirty like. Nah, is that me supposed to be Indian or some shit? Nah. You crossing a boundary now.
Indian
Now
where?
you crossing boundaries now.
The one of you holding the that's Greek you. That's Spartan you. That's Max a Spartan.
That's Max about to whoop some motherfucking ass is what it is. Y'all getting me tight right now.
Why are we at the dentist as Jews? Like you see y'all trip. Oh, that is Indian Max. That one's Indian Max.
I ain't never been this disrespected in my life. I'm Big Daddy Max, the greatest trader. I'm Big Daddy Max, the greatest trader in the world. And here I am being disrespected by a bunch of fucking idiots who only make breach by following me. And now they call me all kinds of stuff and toothless. You know what I'm saying? That was uncalled for. You didn't have to go and call me toothless. That was uncalled for. Yeah. You see all them sexy yellow bones? They want some daddy. They like daddy. They don't like you, ugly motherfucker. They like daddy. If I see
why are they now going through the course to find pictures of you with no teeth, bro? Thank you, brother.
Bro, I know they're going through my shit, bro.
They're going through the course right now as we speak to find these videos of you.
These motherfuckers, bro. My course sales just went up 5%. Everyone's just trying to go find me with no teeth.
Remind them of the car you have.
Y'all are so crazy with it, bro.
Oh man,
y'all are crazy with it, bro.
What course do you recommend I buy? The Mastermind is currently 15% off. Don't sleep. Currently 15% off. If you're gonna buy a course, get into the Mastermind.
Know what you're feeling. Nothing is. Disrespect them back and remind them of the car you got, Raheem. Right. Ain't no one else driving Mansory here. Ain't no one got a Rolls Royce. Ain't no one else got a Rolls Royce. I got a Range Royce for my wife. My wife got a Range Royce.
Range Royce.
Ain't no one's wife got a Range Royce but me.
Yeah, he said a Range Royce.
My wife got a Range Royce. I got the Rari. I got a Ferrari on the way. How many of y'all got Ferraris on the way? Oh wait, you don't. I got a Kia. That's just for my nanny.
Can't go wrong with the Telluride.
Can't go wrong with the Telluride on God.
Who made Javi pregnant, bro?
I
Y'all
hope anyone
tweaking out
does
now, bro.
disrespect the Telluride.
Who made Javi pregnant? You know we don't fuck with that blue hair activity.
No, take pregnant Javi out of here. Stop making Javi pregnant. But we're at 500 points, bro. My portfolio's got to be.
There's the 40. I want to see the 50. And if the 50 breaks, we go all the way to 180. But the 50 should be some area of projection.
Very nice, Max.
50
That's
would be
real
sick.
talk. And Lama's gay.
Very nice, Max. That's real talk. And Lama's gay. You see, the second they throw the and, you know some fuckery is just gonna
bullshit,
gonna
bro. Y'all just can't let it be. Man, what happened? What's going on with the chat today? Fuck.
Just tripping, bro. No,
Chat's
you
on
almost
some
had
shit
had a
today,
good
bro.
Memorial Day.
Everyone must be refreshed and relaxed and having fun because damn, bro. I ain't never been this disrespected before.
I just got here who needs to get banned. Sam G, make sure just pause the whole chat, turn it off. Just turn off the whole chat. They've been tweaking out today, Sam.
And Lama's gay. Real
Chat
talk,
has been
Max.
tripping
And
here.
Lama's gay. It's like, bro,
All right,
what?
like it's like second they throw the and, you're cooked. Chat, we're at 230 likes. We get to 330. We're starting the giveaways, and I'm feeling expeditious today. So let's get to 330 and let's get this started because I'm trying to give away a fuck ton of shit.
Look at that attractive looking paratrooper right there.
Did you watch Happy Hour yesterday?
Happy Hour?
Yes.
With Coach and Izzy?
Coach
No.
Izzy and Priscilla. Coach was there. He pulled up on him.
He pulled up on who?
Izzy and Priscilla.
In Miami?
Mm-hmm.
What's that little motherfucker doing in Miami?
He went to go link with them. We just hit the 50. Now we blew straight to 60.
Did he get cheeks?
Did what?
Did he get cheeks?
Mm-hmm.
Did my boy? Did he get cheeks?
No, I saw Coach was drinking. I told him not to drive back home. That I'd pick him up today.
He was drinking.
Hopefully,
for Coach, that's dangerous. You know, the normal blood alcohol level for a normal person is 0.08, but for him it's like 0.03. So
exactly,
it's got to be careful.
When Lama thinks critically,
Javi, let's get
is
a bang
that
going on
critically gay?
Javi, dropping the hard R on Coach, saying he's a respectable brother. Crazy Javi. Let's get a bang going on Javi.
Yeah, let's get a bang going on Javi. We can't deal with the racism.
Bang going on Javi. They used a droplet to feed Coach. Let's get a bang on Logan.
But like Coach gaining weight.
When Lama thinks critically, is that critically gay? Let's get a bang going on Raheem.
Let's get a bang going on Raheem ASAP. Mods, you guys are tracking, right? Owen said a gerbil water bottle. Let's get a bang going on Owen. We're not dealing with the disrespect anymore, guys.
I'm done with this disrespect, bro. I'm serious. Y'all think you could just come here and talk to the legends like this? You think you just talk to the goats like this? Ian Sarengo from Kenya always looked Mr. Max. Say big up to Lama. My brother, you know the way. Big up to Lama, my brother. You know the way. I gotta take a piss, bro. I'll be right back, man.
All right, let's take a piss, twin. Look. All right, he should be out the door, chat. Here's what's gonna go on. Let's get to 330 likes right now, and I'll instantly give away 3 accounts before he even gets back. And then when he gets back, we run more giveaways on top. What are we thinking, chat? Let's get there. We're at 230, 100 likes. Get to 330. We run the giveaways as fast as possible before he even gets here, and then we cook him. You know what cooking Max is? It's like slow roasting like a whole lechon. Like who knows what a cajachina is? Where they stick the whole pig inside the box and cook it for Christmas. That's what we could do to Max right now. So let's get up there and then run the givvies. And first person in Discord to type the number 47.3 is getting an indicator. Bang, there's the first one. Vasectomy. Open a support ticket. You got yourself the first indicator, just like that. That's how we're feeling today. Bang.
I'm doing a giveaway on the. I don't give a fuck, bro. I'm getting the chat kind of
Bro, I
deserves the
think we got up
giveaway
there, Trent.
because of how retarded they've been today. So
Look, we're at 350 likes.
is it 350?
Yeah, 350.
All right, bet. Then I'm gonna drop a loot box on them. Here we go. Giveaway 150. The code word is. The code word is wow, Max, nice teeth. One word. Wow, Max, nice teeth. One word in the YouTube only. Wow, Max, nice teeth. Wow, guys, seriously, you guys think I have nice teeth like that? Wow. Thank you, guys. Wow. Wow, chat. Thank you. Wow. Thank you, guys. Wow, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Everyone, thank you so much for all the kind words. Wow, Max, nice teeth. Yo, am I fucking Hitler on your page?
What?
Jesus Christ, Lama.
What?
Hold on, what's my wife's
Even though
401k
Lama is gay,
at,
he
bro?
is
That's
still
just
the
gotta
GOAT
be
Lama.
ripping right now on
No
God.
one can hold a candle to you, always killing it on the charts.
Oh, we're almost at all-time high. Bro, look at this, Lama.
What?
Chat. Look at this. Look at the chat, Lama. We're almost did it, twin. Look.
You almost at break even? Bro, you're basically break even.
I did it,
You're gonna
bro.
be able to close it later today, bro. NQ's
Bro,
gonna
if
go up
we
another
keep
100
ripping
points.
today
in the
like
green.
this, if we keep ripping today like this, I did it. I did it.
You're back green.
I'm back green.
I think you both are funny. That's a great compliment. Most women love fat, funny dudes. It's not most women, all women.
All women love fat, funny dudes. There's not one woman on this earth who's like, yeah, I don't love me a big fucking funny man. Shut up, Liv, dumbass bitch. Tired of your
Oh,
ass, Liv.
Max, nice tits. Okay. Get a bang on that guy.
Get a bang on that guy. Bro, I'm crazy. I'm getting distracted right now. Like, yeah. Damn. I'll slap the dog shit out of you.
Why didn't you go in the long? It was done trading already.
The winner is
for 80 points.
Jose Lozano. Late Zix. Jose Lozano. Congratulations.
Who the fuck made my belly poke out of that?
Bro,
It's gonna bang going on filter PZ.
Bro,
Get a bang going on that guy.
That's how your shit used to be. Well, let me get that.
Bro, no, it's not. The picture didn't show no belly.
But that's how your shit. Bro, no,
obviously
every
AI.
time we went somewhere, Logan would be like, "Yeah, fucking Llama's wearing a belly shirt." Bro, don't be posting my tweets in here, dog. Don't be posting my tweets. Llama, read that tweet.
Miriam posts a picture saying nothing like a high volume glute workout to kickstart your trading day. The Big Daddy Max decides to repost it and says, I'd give out 10 free 150k Tradify select accounts to use the machine after she was sweating on it. I respect that. I like that. I respect that. I second that. Can I retweet that?
Oh God, I dropped my bow. Let me let's get that YouTube. Oh wow, almost 400 likes.
Yeah, YouTube. So YouTube's moving right now. I think we have another giveaway. Just like that.
Y'all hating on my teeth. Just know, every one of y'all that hates on my teeth, I got 100 bands worth of collectibles around here that will all fuck you up.
100 bands worth of denture work. It's actually like 40 bands. How much for a giveaway? Giveaway is currently on the YouTube. Currently on the YouTube. We got shit moving right now. Don't worry. Yo. Who made me Jewish and Max punching me with the Hitler stash?
Good. About time we started getting shit right. Who made me a fat Asian with Sam? Hold on, wait a minute. Oh, that's a PSA 10 though? Damn. Sam, you're being awfully quiet today. How's your trading account?
Yeah, she must have got rinsed. Didn't she say we're tanking
Got
today?
right today?
Had to have gotten rinsed.
She didn't take a trade today. But she legit don't trade unless it taps these levels. Keep it rolling. Bro, who got me picking cotton?
No, where's that? Oh, fuck.
Bruh. I'm going to lie. All right, I'm going to say something a little controversial here.
Yes. What is it?
Bro, picking cotton ain't even that bad. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not even that hard of a job. It's not even like a hard job. It's just kind of time. What's the fucking big deal? Like one little pull, put it in the bag, go to the next one. You out there with your boys, yapping, some fine little thing. She's walking on the next aisle. She's picking her cotton. You're like, damn, what's up, shawty? You know, fine ass. You know what I'm saying? I'll meet you in the barn later. Like, life wasn't not even that hard, bro. Seriously. You think that was bad? You think that was bad? Try being Jewish. All right. Had to eat bread with no flour in it. They had to eat bread with no flour. They're basically gluten. Imagine being gluten free in the year 1300. That's fucking terrible. All
It's
they
probably
had
good
was
if you have
bread. All they
celiac.
had was bread, dead cows, and salt. You got three main ingredients to your diet: dead cows, salt, and bread. And we gluten free out here. You telling me that? So I'm matching up celiac and gluten free with slavery.
Picking peanuts is tough.
Yes, I am. Yeah, I guess I fucking am. Yeah, I guess I fucking am. Here, let me ask you this. Okay, let me ask you this. Were you ever a slave? No. Shut the fuck up then. But I'm still gluten free because my wife got fucking celiac. How about that? How about that?
Right.
Oh God, it looks just like Lama's mom. No, I won't disrespect Mama like that.
Yo, who made that? I'm not gonna lie, you were kind of speaking facts though, bro.
Right, bro. I'm spitting right now, bro. Y'all just don't fucking like when hard truth hits. Picking peanuts. What'd you just say? You racist motherfucker. All right, let's bring it back, guys. Let's bring it all the way back. Let's bring it all the way back.
Bring it back. There's another
One thing we can all agree on is we don't fucking like Indians, right? We all
Right.
let's reel it all back in. None of us fuck with them Indian, right? Like let's reel it right back in. Where's all my people at? Let's get communal again. Let's get real communist up in here, real communal. I'm not fucking with them Indians, right? We built them pyramids too. Don't forget. Who built the fucking pyramids?
It was aliens.
Bro, aliens built the fucking pyramids.
Aliens built the
crack
pyramids.
Out of your
man.
mind if you think humans built those pyramids. Ain't no fucking human built those pyramids. Aliens built those fucking pyramids. Now you're trying to take credit. Now you're trying to take credit for the aliens? Get the fuck out of here, bro. You guys know aliens are real.
Aliens.
The government released all the files. The government released all the fucking files. There's literally 4 different types of alien you can see right now.
Yeah.
No bullshit. Like no bullshit. They legit have said, yes, motherfucker, aliens have been here.
No, they said aliens are here.
It's just like Men in Black, bro.
That's
why Logan's built like one of the lizards that be drinking coffee all the time with the skinny ass legs. And Logan's built like one of them lizards that just be drinking coffee, little legs. He looked like a deficient vitamin D deficient baby. He looked like one of them legs that fucking be like, Emma. There, yeah. That's how Logan's built. Yeah, that's the Logan build right there. He be slouching too, bro. Look at that's Logan.
Yeah.
That's the Logan build right there.
Yo, chill the fuck out, bro. My boy's been going through it, bro. Let him be.
Bro, Victor Wembanyama, my boy Vic is playing ball. Bro, his Black Prism card, 1 of 1 Black Prism rookie, just sold for $5 million fucking dollars. A Victor Wem 1 of 1 $5 million, bro. Pokemon, I know Pokemon's big. Like sports is big too, though. Like there's a couple cards hitting mid 6 figures, high 6 figures now of active players is big. That's big time.
Yeah, no, that's kind of crazy. Get a bang on G Stank real quick.
Bro,
me in a poncho with my belly hanging out.
Next person that makes Llama's belly poke out like that, I swear to God, I'm giving y'all free shit.
What? I thought you were about to ban them.
No, I'm about to do another giveaway on the YouTube. We're at 400 likes. Let's do another giveaway on the YouTube.
100 already.
Man, I can tell you guys must have had a great fucking 4-day weekend. I've never seen the chat. The chat has been not this alive in a long time. We're going to do another giveaway on the chat. 150 seconds on the clock. Code word is Lucid, baby. Lucid trading. Tap. Code BDM. Code word is Lucid on the YouTube. It's live, baby. We're live. Another giveaway on the YouTube. Use code Lucid on the YouTube. And you guys are locked in.
Aliens are real and Lama employs them, and it's a fucking Mexican next to me. What the fuck? That's hella uncalled for, bro.
This was hella uncalled for.
Like, it's hella uncalled for. Guys, the giveaway is on the YouTube. Royston, stop spamming. It's on YouTube. Next time you type it, I give you ban. Oh. Chicken leg Chad. Wow.
What? Yeah, what's funny is my legs aren't even that small. Ha 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 ha. Fuck you. But you know what my favorite thing is that Logan does now? But it's my favorite shit. Hey, have you been watching any of the Power Hours? Hey, chat, this is the funniest shit Logan does now. He gets on there with his tank top, right? But this is the funniest. He be standing up now. Sometimes it makes me laugh, bro. Fucking just pacing back and forth, but he does one of these. He'll be live. He does one of these. He like turns his body, and then he just whips right back. Hey, he has me dying laughing because you can tell a thought just hit his brain because he does one of these standing there, not saying a word, tank top, backwards hat, he hits this. And right back.
He does. I've seen him do that. He does do that.
Watch this motherfucker. Next time he's standing up during one of the shows, he goes right to side boob. Bam, I'm right back here. Actually, that shit cracks me up. What a day, man. What a great day, chat. We had an unbelievable day. We're up 550 fucking points is insane. What a wonderful day. Great day.
We're
for
at the 120. I want to see the 180 now. This was the break of the 50. Boom, boom. Levels are playing out.
Boom, 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 boom. I want a double boom. Spend the night
Taken from
together.
Fib 2. I haven't even looked at Fib 2.
Together in my room. Boom, boom, boom. Llama's a double boom. YouTube winner Neo Logic. Congratulations, Neo Logics. Congratulations.
Oh, 150
You just won
the
a
7
Lucid loot account, baby. You just won a Lucid loot account. You just won a Lucid, a Lucid loot account. Hey. Nice job, Dada. You have won.
A very good job, Dada.
I hope you have great honor in your Lucid box. Yes.
Did you say Lucid? All right. We got my belly poking out in that tuxedo picture. Let's get a bang going on that guy too.
That's a pretty.
Got my belly going. All right. Let's get double bands going out.
They damaged the car. They crashed the car.
Let's get a double bang going.
What? Well, they crashed the whole car. Yo, I was watching this show last night called My Terrible Ex or something like that. This shit's crazy, bro. This dude was right here in Palm Beach. He was right here in Palm Beach. And then thank God his ass went over to Naples. This dude's 6'5". Looked like he was like a good-looking dude. Dude was crazy, bro. And he was just like fucking choking bitches and going crazy. And he wound up killing 2 women.
From out here, and what he did that in Naples?
He was in Palm Beach. He was like just like a career criminal, but he was like 6'5" and attractive. And so he would be like getting these semi-fat bitches down here that are lonely and dating multiple women. Yeah, his name's Wade Wilson. They're calling him Deadpool because of the name. And then he like found some other hoes in the Keys and then some more hoes in Cape Coral. And then he, I guess, just went crazy one night on them drugs and killed a bitch. And then he went and just like randomly killed another bitch and was just going berserk, bro. But you could tell he's just fucking crazy. Dude was just fucking crazy. Yeah, basically the whole show was him just like beating up fat bitches. Yeah, in the middle of the show was kind of weird too. He was like banging a dude. Yeah, and then there's like this 10-minute clip of him banging a dude too. So like he's really like just a crazy fucking person, bro.
Why is it you're always watching a show where dudes are banging?
Bro, I was so tight last night, bro. I was so mad. I walk in my room. I was on the phone with Lama for about an hour last night.
Around there.
And we were talking business. We're talking cards. We're talking money. We're talking life. We're talking our babies. We're just 2 boys. God forbid we're on the phone just yapping. So I get in the room. I said, man, let me let you go, bro, before my wife gets pissed. And he's all right, bet. He said, he hit me with a dolly. And I said, dolly. And I hung up the phone.
Right.
And I get in the room and I look at my wife and she's laughing. I'm like, what the fuck's so funny? I look at the big TV. I got a big ass TV in my room. I look at the TV. There's 2 dudes fucking. She's watching this movie called Heated Rivalry. She's watching Heated Rivalry. Sam had just told me about this bitch last week. My wife got Heated Rivalry on the TV. There's 2 hockey players banging. So I said, oh, hell no, I'm not about that. You better turn that shit off. She's dying laughing. She goes, she looks me dead in my fucking eyes and goes, since you love your boys so much, here you go. She goes, since you love being on the phone, yapping with your boys, I figured you'd like this too.
Let's get a bang going on Max's wife.
Ban my wife right now. ban my wife from the chat right now, bro. She does. She's dying laughing. I go to take a shit, and I'm sitting there, and as I'm shitting, I'm doom scrolling, and I hear, oh, I'm like, no, I'm like, turn that shit off. She's fucking dying laughing. She's like, what? It's a hockey movie. I thought you'd like it. I'm like, bro, oh God, if I come out of this bathroom and I see two dudes getting it on, I'm throwing my phone right through the fucking television, full speed.
You know what's crazy? You know, I'd be thinking critically, right? Like, you're aware of this already, right?
Like the boys so much, I thought you'd like this.
Right. No, she's tripping. But I already started thinking critically. And
yes, I started playing hockey today. Yes. So what?
No, not even that. It's I had just said you love watching shows with dudes banging. As you're talking about the one show of the guy killing fat hoes, that there was dudes banging, and now you walk into another same night, 2 movies of dudes banging.
Yeah, bro. I've had a rough night, bro. I've had a rough night. I've had a bad night, Lama. Oh God, I've had a real bad night.
I'm not gonna lie, I feel that though. I feel that.
I can't catch a break in this bitch, bro. I've had a really rough night, bro. I can't catch a break in this bitch.
But he won't finish The Boys. You see, then he edits it and puts in parentheses show. Right. That was crazy. He said, but he won't finish The Boys. Logan's pressed because you're not finished.
And then he wrote show. Yeah. Logan's gay. Logan's fucking gay, but he won't finish The Boys. I told Logan this morning, bro. I'm like, Logan, you know why Logan goes with? He's like, yeah, security. It's my job. No, bro. It's because we have a 2-to-1 advantage over any other guy if we were had to take butt.
Oh my God. That was crazy. That boy's that shit edited quick.
Bro, edited the show.
Was pressed. You won't help him finish.
Bro, you know he wrote that and verbally screamed no in his apartment. No! You know he wrote that and wrote no.
I saw that coming quick. Wow, he's talking crazy today. What you mean you saw that coming quick? You know Max is quick. You know he's a fast one.
You know I'm fast. Bro, I went to the bathroom at 9:21, shit and cranked my shit. And I was back here. What time, Sam? 9:25? 9:22.
Impressive. The shit crank at the same time is wild work. Actually impressive work.
Y'all are pissing me off, bro. Chat. Rob M, and now Max took up hockey as a hobby. Rob M. Even Robbie giving it to me now, bro. I didn't expect this from Rob. I didn't expect this. This is a heavy hit. This is a heavy hit. Damn, those X hockey jerseys kind of go hard. And Lama do look good in a hockey jersey.
What?
I got a video of Lama in a hockey jersey. Me and Lama were at the Stanley Cup 2 years ago. We were at last year's Stanley when the Cats won. Here's Lama. He's dancing at the Stanley Cup. And he was getting it on at the Stanley Cup. And we both made 5 figures trading that day.
Yeah, that day was crazy. I did like 25, almost 30 bands that day.
Sam, what the fuck are you talking about? Did you just say you have a fucking wheelchair for backup just in case I have to walk further than 30 seconds? Get a band going on my assistant. Get a band going on my assistant, Sam. It'd be your own people, Lama. It'd be your own people. Y'all trade or nah? Nah.
No trading.
No, no trade.
Here and yap all day.
We just yap. We just be
yapping. Sit here, yap. Our chat makes fun of us. We're wildly racist, and
right. I didn't make 25 bands. I didn't make 25 bands in 2 minutes today and log off.
Right. Nope.
That did not happen.
Trading today, brother. We are grifters. By the way, in case you're wondering, the course is 15% off today, Max.
Oh shit, is it?
15% off. Yeah.
25% off.
No trading today, but if you are interested, the course is available. Course is available, and the indicators are also 25% off. Make sure to tap in. Maybe we can take a trade tomorrow, but in the meantime, please, and I ask you kindly, go buy the course, go buy the indicators.
Right. Also, we're running a little experiment. So if you're a yellow bone with a fat ass, report to my DM. We're running a little trading experiment. You don't DM back? You DMing the wrong fucking person then. Because you ain't never DM me, shawty. You ain't never DM me once.
Cool. My homie, can you cancel reorder? What do you say? Can you answer and re? No, my course isn't 25% off. The indicator is 25% off, and the Maxermind course is 15% off, guys.
What am I looking at, bro? I don't know what I'm looking at right there. Yeah, we got a lot of sales going on right now. Big sales. My course is 15% off. It's fucking crazy. Fucking crazy work y'all got going on. You know, and then they're just gonna buy the course because it's 15% off, and then they're just gonna immediately look for me with no teeth. It's crazy. It's crazy work. Oh, Logan, are you here? Oh, it's Tuesday. I forgot. Logan, if there's anybody in a server with people stealing our coursework or old students who are unprofitable, grifting, and using Lama's fucking name and course as a sales point, ban every one of them from the MOT server. Ban every single one of them from every MOT product. We got the list. Ban them from everything, even the courses, non-refundable. Ban them all. You're about to watch a bunch of people dump off. Goodbye. We gave you the warning. If you were fucking with anybody, listen, if you're fucking with anybody in this server, and if you said, "Oh, don't worry, bro, just make a burner." Got your email already. Got your IP. You're fucking banned. So we're gonna watch the numbers fall off. Yeah, we got IPs. They really be fucking dumb in this bitch. They really be fucking dumb. So I highly suggest if there's someone that used to be here that you don't see here anymore, and you're fucking with them, and they're teaching our shit or trading our shit, you're on a ban list and you're fucked right now. So execute the list. Every single person, ban them all right now.
All right. It's also got a ban going on Jitty. I was not shirtless in that picture. I was actually mad skinny.
Hold on. Some chick just DM me and said, "Hold on, I'm a yellow bone. I'm a yellow bone with a big ass. Prove it.
Oh, prove it.
Prove it. Then we'll bring you up on show.
Double confirmation. Shoot me a DM as well.
Start the giveaway, you cucks. We already gave 2 away, you fucking idiot.
Who called us a cuck? Start the giveaway, cucks?
Guy on YouTube.
Bro, this guy's fucking spamming for a loot box. Hey, Ray, fuck you. How's that sound? How's that one sound, Ray? Fuck you.
Oh, here's a little follow-up for you, Ray. Fuck you.
Oh, Ray, you want a giveaway? I want to give away these nuts on your forehead. How's that one sound?
I know that's right.
Consider that one, damn Ray? Have you?
Oh, my name is Ray. I want the giveaway. My name is Ray Gay. Fuck you. Max, shout me out. It's my birthday. Shout out Abio. Shout out Abio 1324. It's his birthday. Shout out Abio. Congratulations on making it another year with a stupid ass name like Abio. Abio. All right, we're gonna do one more loot box. Fuck
Loot
it.
box, loot box, loot box.
We're gonna do one
Loot
more loot
box.
box. Giveaway.
No, where's the yellow bone with a fat ass? Good question. Good
All right.
question.
Last loot box is get ready for the YouTube chat. Get ready for the YouTube. 400 likes. You know we can't complain when we got 400 likes on a crazy Tuesday. It was a great day today. Great day today, chat. 400 likes. And get ready. Get set. The code word is MOT. MOT. Type in code word MOT for your chance to win up to 150 or 100K direct. Rooted Root Box Pros.
In the YouTube, guys. In the YouTube, not on Discord.
Not in Discord, Pros. Lama, be honest with me.
Yes.
There is 212 or to 20 first edition Pokemon cards ever made. There's only like 200 of them that have the first edition label on it, correct? From 1999 to 2001 in America. I think there's like 220 of them, right?
I don't know what you're talking about. You're talking about like the whole set or like one specific
No,
Pokemon?
it's different sets. It's different sets, but from between 1999 and 2001 in the United States, they released like 220 cards that had little black first ed on the left side. You know what I'm talking about?
Like a first set. No, there's not 220. There's a bunch of them.
Really?
500. Yeah.
ChatGPT, how many Pokemon cards have the first edition label on them?
There's commons and then there's hollows too.
Right.
You talking about hollows or you're talking about just like in total all of them?
First edition base charge on. So from 19. Oh no, it's fucking a shitload of them. Not
Yeah.
every level. I
There's a
want
few
to
sets
start.
that had first ed.
I want to start collecting every one of them in a PSA 10.
Who's gonna run you some breach, kid?
So I think every week I'm gonna buy one or two of them in a PSA 10, starting with like the cheapest ones. And then I want every first edition card ever made. And then
In
I want
tens?
to put, and then I want to have an artist come,
Put it on a frame.
make it in the shape of a Charizard in a giant frame.
Look, this is all the first eds. There's Jungle, Rocket, Fossil, Neo, Genesis, Neo Revelation, Neo Destiny. All of those, the top chase is multi 5-figure, sometimes 6.
Congratulations, Logan. Logan with the free account on the YouTube. Congratulations, Logan. You just won a Lucid loot box.
All right, who
Some
made the
promo
Audi?
cards, some starter deck
Gosh.
exclusives. Can you list all of the English American first edition stamped Pokemon cards? I want to see if it's. Oh, so there's a bunch. Here we go. Yeah, there's a lot. Wow.
Complete
So
first edition Pokemon base set just sold for 900K. Just the base set. Then there's still Jungle, Rocket.
Yeah, there's a base
Neo
set, Jungle,
Genesis.
Fossil, base set 2, Rocket, Gym Heroes, Gym Challenge, Neo Gen, Neo Discovery, Neo Revelation, Neo Destiny, Legendary Collection, Expedition base set, Aquapolis, and Skyridge.
Yeah. Just Skyridge, the whole Skyridge set just sold for 1.4 million.
In a
Each of those
PSA 10?
sets are like a mil, like maybe 500K to a mil each. There's like 7, 8 of them. You're gonna have to get in like 7 to 10 mil if you want all that.
So if I want every first edition card in Pokemon ever made, it's about 10 million.
Maybe. I mean, prices are only going up and those are hard to find. Those Skyridge sets, like you're probably not gonna find another one complete.
No, I'm gonna have to build it. I'm gonna have to scalp the PSA 10 cars one by one.
Right. Yeah, it's just gonna take you forever.
You think it's worth it?
No, not getting like, to be honest, the whole sets are garbage. Like I would just go for the
it's not
chase.
it's more of the nostalgia.
Shit's ass. Like I like out of like first, like out of base set, you get the fucking first three Zard, Blastoids, and fucking Venusaur. Everything else is a waste of bread. We're gonna get a first edition fucking Caterpie in a 10. You're gonna get reason. Just get the chases, like right there. Look at that card. That Lugia first ed in a 10. Bro, that shit's a card you want. Everything else in that set, maybe there's like 3 in that whole Neo Genesis that are, everything else is a waste of bread. That Lugia is nuts though. I actually just sold that this weekend. It wasn't first ed, but it was just a regular Lugia Hollow. I sold it for 2 bands. And it was like in a 7 or some shit.
Yeah, I want to see every single card that has the first.
I would just go for the top chases. Like that Lugia, definitely I'd go for that, but that's like 80 racks, I think, in a ton. A lot of these shits, twin, hard as fuck to find and crazy go up. Let me look it over eBay. The Lugia's last sale was 146,000. Just that one Lugia.
Bro, look at that picture. Bro, look at that picture. Imagine if I did that.
Yeah, those are all Charizards. They're all the same card.
Bro, imagine if I changed the. That would be fire. You know, I see what's hot right now. I see the Black Label hot right.
Black Label was going berserk, bro. The Bubble Mew, you know the Bubble Mew? I had bought it at the West Palm show with you. Little Mew in like a bubble. Bro, the Black Label one just sold for 246,000.
Yeah, but do you think since do you think they're just doing that on purpose?
Maybe. I don't know. This week they're going up again. Card House is about to put up the Mew Tube Black Label and another Bubble Mew Black Label. So we're gonna see if it's actually consistent. Because the first one just sold at 250. Now the Black Labels, we're gonna see if people are actually gonna pay for them.
How was your card show this weekend, bro? That shit looks like
That shows a fucking movie. I'm not gonna lie to you, twin. Shit was a fucking movie. I did probably like a little under 40K in sales in 2 days. Did I get rinsed at the card show? Nah, I actually came up pretty hard.
good shit,
But
bro.
out of a lot of cards, I was in a heavy profit on.
I want to collect them all, baby, like Pokemon.
I got into a new Grail.
What's a Grail?
Like my new biggest card. Let's put it in the chat. Got into the Luigi Ski.
So the first card is an Alakazam.
I got into that card for 18,000.
Let's see if I can find this one. First edition Alakazam. Let me see.
The guy actually I bought the Luigi from has the first edition Alakazam in a 10. He had it
First
sitting there.
edition Alakazam right here on YouTube, on eBay.
What is it, like 20? Something like that?
This guy wants 250,000.
Nah, he's tripping.
What the fuck?
He's tripping. First
Here's
edition
another guy's got it
Alakazam.
for 130,000.
First edition Alakazam. PSA 10.
It's crazy. That's card number 1.
Where the buy nows at? No, bro, the buy nows are cheap.
Maybe I'm not looking at the right thing.
Yeah, no, the buy nows are cheap. I like 4 or 5 bands.
Yeah, there's scammers everywhere, bro. Don't fucking listen to the scammers. There's scammers on every platform, unfortunately. So if you guys are getting text or message or people are hitting you up, that is not us. That is scammers, pammers, dog shit people. That is not us. So make sure you guys know that that is definitely not us. So all scammers. The Snorlax is 57,000.
The one from Jungle, yeah. 57 bandos.
Wow.
I made my hand small like that. Let's get a band going on that guy.
Yeah, I got to look up all this stuff and I got to start figuring out how to collect these cards.
I'd get into Twin. I'm not gonna lie. There's like actual crazy fire cards that you could get into where it's like better than like this nostalgia that you're trying to get into. Because they're part of it, but it's like it's just like who the fuck wants an Alakazam? You know what I'm saying? It's not even fire.
It means
I mean, Alakazam's cool. I'm not gonna lie. But like other cards, you know what I'm saying? Like there's other cards that are just gonna be a waste of bread. A super waste of bread.
Why is it a waste of bread if you have them all?
Because you could be getting into so much better cards. Like, look at this shit. This nigga Alpha. Look at the cards he had. Charizard, First Ed Lugia, Aquapolis Lugia, Skyridge Charizard, Shiny Charizard, Dark Charizard. Like those are fire cards. They're all different sets. Those are the top chases of each set.
So you tell me not to get a Charmander?
Nah, for what? Like, why spend the 5-6 bands on a fucking First Ed Charmander in a 10 when you can like put it into something like this? Like, bro, that's like this Zard right here, bro. I saw it this weekend in a 10. This Zard right here that he just posted the picture of him, put it in the chat for you. I just saw it this weekend going for 120 racks. The Skyridge one.
Oh,
just this one.
120 racks.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna lie though.
The top chases of every set.
The Venusaur, the original Venusaur in a PSA 10, that's my favorite one, bro.
I have it in a 9 shadowless.
That shit slaps. $200 bands. People are tweaking, bro.
Yeah, I mean, you could get into them for less at the shows, but it's just hard. A lot of those cards right there, they're all spec price. They're like off speculation. Because it's just off like last sold, and then they want more than last sold, and then it's based off listings.
That's the problem.
They're all spec price. All that shit. None of that is liquid. Yucky. What's good, Yuck?
Yucky. What up, boy? Guys, great day. Great day. Can we hire someone on our stream to do London? We are not only doing London in the Discord. You guys don't know. We started the London show back up, London with Luca, and he's going fucking berserk. He's going berserk. He's the #1 European trader in the world. He's the #1 European trader in the world. He's been calling out like 100 points on London every night on London. So if you guys don't know about London with Luca, you're fucked up. Because my boy is going berserk. So you need to tap into the Discord and get that notification. It's streamed on Discord only for a little bit longer. But then, yes, London's coming live, baby. We're the London production with Luca, and he's going to be taking over Europe. He's going to be the most famous trader in Europe. You guys think I'm playing? That boy's going to be the most famous trader in Europe. He's going to be out of control. The boy's going to be out of control. He's going to be smoking cigarettes the whole stream. The whole stream. He's going to break the world record for longest amount of cigarettes smoked. Yeah. So if you're ready, yeah, join the Discord. If you guys like London session, look no further than my boy Luca. Luca Brasi. He's an absolute animal. So he's absolute. Yeah, like that 2002 Shining Mewtwo edition.
I just sold that.
I like that. How much is that one?
The 10, I think, is going for 50K.
All right. So maybe I'll start with that one.
First edition Shining 2.
No one's gonna stop me from doing something that I have my mind set on. Lama
That's
knows
what I would
this.
do. I would get the fire ones though. Instead of trying to set the whole dog shit, I shit like that. Shiny Mewtwo shinies are like those are tough as fuck. Last sold May 10th, 45,000 2 weeks ago for that card. That was last sold. So guess what? Speculation price is going on that card, 60, 70K. Let's look at the listings on it. Yeah, the listings are already up for that card. 40K.
Pokemon.
100, 115, 110. Yeah, people are fucking that card. I just got out of that card. I really didn't want to sell it, bro. This guy came with cash.
Good shit.
We kind of killed it at the show. I was seeing your stories. Yeah, we did pretty good. We did pretty good at the show.
We did
I'm not
good.
gonna lie.
Oh, we did a full base PSA 10 set sold for $911,000 in 2025. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. So
Right.
$1 million, I could just buy the complete set. And I don't have to source anything.
That was last sale, twin. You know how speculation's gonna go on the next one.
Now that's just 1.3 now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if it's 1.3 now and I buy it, I put it right up for 1.5.
You gotta hope someone else is gonna pay 1.5.
This is why the rich get richer, because you could just do dumbass shit like I'm gonna buy this $1 million card set and just fucking put it right back on the market for 1.2.
Thing is, those cards got put on auction, so it's risky. Auction could just run low.
A PSA 10 Blastoise sold for 125 bands a couple months ago. Wow. Bro, I'll never forgive my mother. I had 101 of the 102 base cards in a perfect sleeved binder. The only one I was missing was the Charizard. I never pulled it. And that bitch fucking left that shit in storage and rats ate it. That binder is worth breesh.
Good breesh.
All right, chat. I can sit here and yap all day, but there's some more trading to be done, and we got trading wheels coming up in 50 minutes. And you guys know Trading Wheels is gonna put on a banger, so we love you guys. Is Trading Wheels ready to fucking? I missed 5 minutes of the show and I see this. Welcome back, Luca. I was just telling everyone you're going to be the most famous trader in Europe. And Jay Hooligan said your schlong is hugely European. That's a fact. So, guys, make sure you tap into Trading Wheels starting in 50 minutes, baby. 50 minutes. Yep. I'm going to go spank my shit. Guys, nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. We're filming the Big Daddy Morning Show for entertainment purposes only, hosted by the Max Options Trading Network, the greatest network for trading entertainment in the world. Make sure you guys tap in to Trading Wheels in about 45-50 minutes. The greatest show for beginners from subject matter experts, the mod team, baby. They kill it. For you guys, make sure you tap into Trading Wheels. If you want to learn Pay to Play University, I suggest you tap into it. If you want to learn the Max way, the Maxtermind is the only way. Today's the last day of the Memorial Day sale where you can get 15% off the Maxtermind and see me with no teeth. Check out P2P Algo, pre-market, and all the great products we have at Max Options Trading. 25% off all indicators, guys. Don't fuck around. Hop in on those indicators. It's the #1 indicator suite in the world. So many profitable traders. Make sure you guys lock in. Look at this, you fucking idiot. Stop posting me without teeth. Stop it. Make sure you guys tip the staff. Thank you so much today on the YouTube for all those amazing tips and donos. Even though you're all talking shit and having fun, it's all badass and it's all for the staff. They get completely paid off a tip. So we really appreciate that, guys. And remember to lock in with your favorite coaches, Izzy's fine ass, Coach, Javi, anyone you want. If you're so close to being profitable, you're probably just one coaching session away from being successful. So lock in with the coach and all the free entertainment we provide here for you guys. We hope you guys enjoy the free entertainment and that you're able to lock in and get some gains and have some fun while you do it. Max, I love your teeth, but what that tongue do?
Wow.
What you trying to get into, John? That's another that's another yellow bone with a fat ass. I did not know I was such a hot commodity to these yellow bones with fat asses. But apparently, yeah, I didn't know that I was such a hot commodity to these yellow bones with fat asses. But I like that. Please be a woman. Please be a woman. Hey, Foxy, welcome to the Big Daddy Morning.
Where my camera at?
I don't know, girl. Turn it on. Let me see that ass.
Yo, what's up? Let's see.
Stand up real quick.
What's good?
You gotta go towards the wall. Go towards the wall a little bit.
The wall, my whole chair is like right there.
God damn.
So
So what's up? You think I'm fine?
of course. Fine as fuck.
I know
Big
that's
daddy
right.
with a big aura.
I know
Hopefully
that's
a
right.
big tongue, right?
I know that's right. What about it? What else is big? Bank account,
You tell me.
Rolls Royce, hands, feet, everything big. You like that?
Oh yeah, big funny man. Just like you said.
I know that's right. I bet I could tear up your small intestines.
You gonna leave the big intestine alone?
Get out of here. I'm trying to end the show. Get out of here. We'll talk to you soon.
All right, bet. Thanks, guys.
Don't forget to use code BDM, guys. Don't forget to use code BDM. The greatest sales always with code BDM. Make sure you guys lock in, especially because the end of the Memorial Day sales are today. So, like Lucid Trading, 50% off. Our sponsor, baby. So make sure you guys tap in. We love y'all. Lock in. Go ahead. Tell Foxy Brown to open a support ticket. Go ahead and throw her a free account. Go ahead and get her a free account for coming up here and putting her hands on the wall like that. She was under arrest. You know what I'm saying? In my mind, she was under arrest. And the only one that could put those cuffs on her was me. You know what I'm saying? She turned around quick. Eesh. Normally I like to be the one to throw them down. You know what I'm saying? I like to toss them. Get your ass on that get your ass on that wall. Get your ass on that fucking counter, girl. Give me 5 minutes to get my Bear's heart medicine before I have a heart attack. Respectable. I lost my entire train of thought. Great show, great day. One trade for me, 5K across the board, 25,000 eval profits. And we love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on all the channels. You guys remember, we're live on fucking Discord, YouTube, Facebook, X, Kick, and something else. Make sure you guys like all the streams, comment, subscribe. We love y'all. It was a great day. Big Daddy Lama.
Huge day, guys. It was a fucking pleasure. Make sure to go tap into Trading Wheels in about 45 minutes. Giveaways will be going, and they're going to answer all types of questions you guys have. They've been killing the game. Make sure to go tap in with them. Follow it into Power Hour, and then leading into then leading into the podcast, Traders and Haters, and then leading into Happy Hour. 5 days of programming today. Busy day in MOT server, guys. Congratulations if you made it. Yeah. Oh, congratulations. Code BDM.
We love y'all, baby. And don't forget, today's the last day for sale where you can use P2P on T. as well. Great fucking day, Lama. Anna K! Kick fire on them hoes. I can go rip my cord.
Coffee steam and a green candle. Big Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Preaching price levels, lighting up the channel. Verse 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's shorting on sight. Let's go.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
Gospel in the game. Holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo.
Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone,
He's all in with the grin.
if it cracks that floor,
He's dancing out again. Step out. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
gospel in the game.
Hallelujah, holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo. Candles talk. What they saying? They say trend strong. They show turnarounds, time to get going. Red to green, congregation stands. Green to red, they clap their hands. Even in a loss, they sing that song. Right edge, right wrist, we'll be strong. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
In the game on the floor.
Most entertaining thing on the internet.
Yo, Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo.